Please release the box from bottom. Make sure all the parts are included. Toolkit needed when assembly. First, install the rear base. Align the holes. Tighten the bolts with the multi-wrench. Front base assembly, same as the rear one. Check the correct side. Tighten the screw counterclockwise when assembling the left pedal. Tighten the screw clockwise when assembling the right pedal. Handle post assembly. Insert the post, fix it with the knob. You can hear a click when the knob gets into correct position. Saddle post assembly. Install the knob same way. Slide the saddle into the track. Fix it with M10 nut and a washer. Unscrew the bolts before assembling the handle. Make sure the holes are aligned. Please put the batteries in before assembling the monitor. Remember to connect the wires before use. The final step, iPad stand assembly. Now you can enjoy your bike.